Creating and animating hand-drawn icons in After Effects is surprisingly easy. Set it up once, and every icon you draw after that animates automatically. Stick around, I'll show you exactly how. Open After Effects, create a new composition. Set your name, size, duration, and background. Then hit OK. Grab the pen tool and draw anything you want. I'll start with a money icon. Once we animate this, every icon you draw from here on will move automatically. Once you've drawn your shape, remove the fill, enable stroke, then set your color and thickness. If your icon has multiple details, like mine, click the existing layer before drawing each new part. This keeps everything on one layer, so they all animate in sync. You can use separate layers too, but this is the fastest way. Once your drawing is ready, search for Roughen Edges in Effects and Presets, then drag and drop it onto your layer. The effect controls will appear in the top left. Drag the current time indicator to the start. Enable evolution in the effect settings and set a keyframe. Move the indicator to your desired end time, then set evolution to 30. Your drawing is now animated. Adjust the settings above to control how rough or subtle the effect looks. Click the arrow on your layer, go to Add, and select Trim Path. Open Trim Path. Move the indicator to the start, keyframe both start and end at 50%. Then move the indicator forward a few seconds and set start to 100% and end to 0%. Your icon is now drawing itself on screen. And that's everything you need. From now on, just select the existing layer and draw anything new. It animates automatically in the same style. I'll show you a few more examples. Keep watching. If you made it this far, thank you. Like the video, subscribe for more, and support me on Patreon via the link below.